Today we are going to talk about how to prepare watermelon ringed pickle. Yeah, first step we need to remove the center part. Okay, the center part was removed. For sure, the center part you can eat it. And here actually it's not ready yet. Still has a lot of red. Next step we need to remove most of the red. Now this should be fine. And then we are going to use this skin peeler to remove the skin at the back. Now the skin was removed. Okay, we are going to cut them into small pieces. Okay, we cut this into small pieces. Next, Chef Kong is going to show you how to prepare pickle.
I prepared several ingredients: sugar, salt, habanero. This is the sour orange juice, or you can use lemon juice. The seasoning part depends on your taste. You can put a little bit more sugar if you like sweet ones. What you need to do is just mix them together. And stir. Cover it, put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours.
Okay, should be very good. The pickle is ready to serve. Of course, you can do a lot of other things with this pickle. You can put in salad, you can put in sandwich, or cook with fish, meat, tofu. It has sour, sweet, salty, spicy. It's a blend of taste. It's really, really wonderful.